Ultra-lightweight high-performance, daily driver, shorts for endurance in any environment. The new all-rounder shorts by Graphene X are the ultimate companion for the modern adventurer. Let's delve into the review and see how these performance shorts fare. The all-rounder shorts feature a proprietary graphene integrated fabric that defies the laws of weight, using a T800 twisted 105 GSM polyester yarn, which makes this short super easy to pack, breathable, durable and comfortable. The four-way mechanical stretch fabric design makes the shorts not only breathable but also stretch in all four directions, while keeping up with your body's every movement. One of the selling features of the all-rounder shorts is the built-in fully waterproof pocket designed to keep electronics like a smartphone dry and secure when caught in a sudden downpour or taking an unexpected dip in a body of water. When it comes to repelling water and stains, the all-rounder shorts are up to the task too. The fabric is treated with a PFC-free coating, allowing rain shower, and even food spillages, to slide right off the surface of the shorts. The all-rounder shorts are designed to fit above the knees, depending on your height. The all-rounder shorts seen pictured are size large with an 8-inch inseam, 19-inch leg length, from waist to cuff, 17-inch waist, from side to side, 13-inch crotch length and 12-inch inside cuff, from side to side. The weight of the all-rounder shorts size large is 285 grams. When sizing the all-rounder shorts, it's best to get these shorts fitted because of the elasticated waistband designed to fit your exact waist size. The shorts also integrate a non-slip rubber band on the inside rear belt line, which prevents the shorts from slipping down, even during rigorous activities. This eliminates the need to wear a belt with these shorts, although you can still wear a belt if you want to, thanks to the integrated belt loops. The non-slip rubber band is very grippy but has a sticky, almost tacky, feel to it, which can feel uncomfortable on naked skin. The all-rounder shorts front closure consists of a classic fly zipper and hidden jewel snaps with rubber pull tab for fastening the waist. There are also bar tacks strategically placed at common failure points, reinforcing the durability of these shorts. Storage is essential for any pair of shorts, and the all-rounder shorts excel in this aspect, boasting a total of 7 pockets. In addition to the classic frontal side pockets, you will find a small secret open pocket hidden inside the right frontal pocket. The all-rounder shorts also feature 2 invisible zippered rear pockets, a hidden side pocket with concealed YKK zipper on the left side below the left frontal pocket and a lateral, cargo-style, side zip pocket protected by a magnetic storm flap to hide the pocket and minimize dust and water ingress. The cargo-style side zipper features a YKK metal zipper with fabric pull cord. Inside the cargo-style side pocket, there is a plastic keyring attached to a fabric lanyard, non-detachable, as well as plenty of ample space for storing a phone, big wallet, pair of sunglasses and even a small water bottle. The dimensions of the cargo side pocket are 20 cm deep by 16 cm high,